Xfer Serum's ability to transform grayscale PNG images into wavetables unlocks a world of creative sound design. By interpreting each pixel's brightness as amplitude, Serum generates unique waveforms that can be dynamically morphed for endless possibilities. To prepare an image, start by converting it to grayscale and resizing it to roughly 2048 by 256 pixels. Enhance its contrast and smooth harsh edges to create clean musical waveforms. Once ready, drag and drop the PNG into Serum's oscillator window, where it converts into a fully playable wavetable. Serum's editor offers tools like frame normalization, DC offset removal, and spectral blurring to refine the imported wavetable. You can animate the WTPOS knob using LFOs or envelopes, unlocking dynamic, evolving textures. Creative applications are boundless. Abstract patterns can produce rich harmonic textures, while photos of faces or objects yield experimental timbres. For ultimate control, design your own waveforms using gradients or geometric shapes. Whether you're crafting ambient pads, gritty basslines, or evolving leads, using PNG images as wavetables is an innovative way to merge art with sound. Dive in, experiment, and let your visuals sing.